The position you fall asleep in tonight could change far more than how comfortable you feel tomorrow morning. It may affect your breathing, digestion, spine, heart, and even how your brain cleans itself while you sleep. Let's start with the world's most popular sleeping position, lying on your side. Nearly 2/3 of adults naturally sleep this way, and for good reason. When you sleep on your side, gravity is less likely to pull the soft tissues of your throat backward. That helps keep your airway more open, allowing air to move more freely into your lungs. As a result, many people snore less and breathe more comfortably than they do while sleeping flat on their back. For individuals with mild sleep apnea, simply changing sleeping position can sometimes reduce nighttime breathing interruptions. But your lungs aren't the only organs that benefit. Your digestive system also responds to gravity. The stomach naturally sits slightly toward the left side of your body. When you sleep on your left side, stomach acid is less likely to flow back into the esophagus. That's why doctors often recommend left-side sleeping for people who experience nighttime acid reflux or heartburn. A simple change in posture can sometimes improve digestion without changing your diet or taking medication. Now, here's something most people have never heard. While you sleep, your brain performs one of the most important cleaning jobs in your entire body. Throughout the day, billions of neurons produce tiny waste products as they generate thoughts, memories, and emotions. During deep sleep, a specialized network called the lymphatic system helps flush away much of this waste using cerebrospinal fluid. Some researchers believe this cleaning process may work slightly more efficiently when sleeping on your side. Although scientists are still investigating exactly why, it suggests your favorite sleeping position may influence brain health in ways we are only beginning to understand. Of course, side sleeping isn't perfect. If your pillow is too high or too low, your neck may remain bent for several hours. Continuous pressure on one shoulder can also compress muscles and nerves, sometimes causing stiffness or numbness when you wake up. The position itself isn't usually the problem. Poor support is. Keeping your head aligned with your spine allows your muscles to relax instead of working throughout the night. Now let's roll onto your back. Many orthopedic specialists consider back sleeping one of the best positions for maintaining natural spinal alignment. Your head, neck, and spine remain relatively straight, allowing your body weight to spread evenly across the mattress. This reduces unnecessary pressure on joints and gives your back muscles an opportunity to fully relax. People with certain types of neck or lower back pain often find this position especially comfortable when supported by the right pillow. But this position comes with an important trade-off. As you enter deeper stages of sleep, the muscles around your throat naturally relax. When you're lying on your back, gravity can pull these soft tissues toward the airway, making it narrower. For some people, this increases snoring. For others, particularly those with obstructive sleep apnea, it may temporarily interrupt breathing dozens of times throughout the night. Your sleeping position doesn't cause the condition, but it can make an existing problem significantly worse. This explains why two people can sleep in exactly the same position yet wake up feeling completely different. Your anatomy, body weight, airway shape, and muscle tone all influence how your body responds to gravity. There is no single sleeping position that's perfect for everyone. But there's one position that has probably sparked more debate than all the others combined. Now let's look at the most controversial sleeping position of all, sleeping on your stomach. For some people, it's the only way they can fall asleep. But biologically, it's the position that asks the most from your body. To breathe, your head must remain turned to one side for hours, placing constant stress on the muscles, joints, and ligaments of your neck. At the same time, your hips naturally sink into the mattress, increasing the curve of your lower back. After an entire night, these small stresses can leave you waking up with neck stiffness, shoulder pain, or lower back discomfort. Yet stomach sleeping does have one surprising advantage. Because your face is already turned to the side and your body weight changes the position of your airway, some people snore less than they do while sleeping on their back. Once again, your body is making a compromise. A position that helps one system may place extra strain on another. Biology is rarely about perfect solutions, it's about finding the best balance. But here's something even more fascinating. Your brain never completely stops monitoring your body while you sleep. Even during your deepest sleep, millions of nerve endings continue sending information to your brain. They report changes in pressure, body temperature, blood flow, and joint position. When one area of your body experiences too much pressure for too long, your brain quietly triggers a small movement. You roll onto your other side, adjust your arm, or shift your legs, usually without ever waking up. These automatic movements improve circulation, reduce pressure on muscles and nerves, and help protect your skin and joints throughout the night. Your preferred sleeping position can also change throughout your life. Children often sleep in almost any position because their joints are extremely flexible. As we grow older, previous injuries, changes in body weight, arthritis, pregnancy, or chronic pain may gradually influence which position feels most comfortable. Your sleeping habits aren't fixed forever. They evolve alongside the rest of your body. Pregnancy provides one of the best examples of this adaptation. During the later months of pregnancy, many doctors recommend sleeping on the left side. This position reduces pressure on major blood vessels and helps improve blood flow to both the mother and the developing baby. It also reduces pressure on the liver while making it easier for the heart to circulate blood efficiently. It's a simple change, but one with important biological benefits. What about the popular belief that your sleeping position reveals your personality? You've probably heard claims that side sleepers are friendly, back sleepers are confident, or stomach sleepers are adventurous. While these ideas are entertaining, scientific evidence supporting them is surprisingly weak. Most sleep researchers agree that anatomy, breathing comfort, and physical health play a far greater role than personality. Your body chooses the position that helps it recover, not the one that reflects your character. So, which sleeping position is actually the healthiest? For most adults, side sleeping provides the best overall balance. It supports easier breathing, reduces acid reflux for many people, and may even help your brain perform its nightly cleaning process more efficiently. Back sleeping is also an excellent choice for individuals who don't snore or experience sleep apnea because it keeps the spine well aligned. Stomach sleeping is generally the least recommended due to the extra strain placed on the neck and lower back, although some people naturally find it the most comfortable. Of course, your sleeping position is only one piece of the puzzle. Sleep quality also depends on your mattress, pillow, bedtime routine, room temperature, stress levels, and the amount of sleep you get each night. Even the perfect sleeping position can't fully compensate for poor sleep habits. Your body needs enough uninterrupted time to complete multiple sleep cycles so your brain, muscles, immune system, and organs can recover properly. The next time you climb into bed, pay attention to the position your body naturally chooses. It isn't simply a habit you've developed over the years. It's the result of millions of years of evolution, a nervous system constantly analyzing your body's needs, and countless automatic adjustments happening while you're completely unaware. Your sleeping position doesn't reveal your personality. It reveals something far more remarkable: the incredible intelligence of the human body, quietly working through the night to keep you healthy, protected, and ready for the day ahead.